Alright guys, so we really wanted to have a skylight in the bus, but we see so many videos of skylights being drippy or having leaks, or just in general, like they let in too much light, too much heat. So we started looking around for alternative options, and we stumbled across these. These are from a company called Solar Blaster. So this is all the different pieces. These are what they call a sun tunnel. So this is a very short tunnel that mounts flat to the roof and pulls the sunlight in, helps filter it a little bit so it's not too intense, and then the base, which I sprayed black, goes in from the inside and gives you a nice flush mount light look without, again, letting in too much sun or too much heat, but fills the space with light. So we're gonna get it installed.
Okay, so to cut our hole for our skylight, because it's a circular hole, we got this Nibbler sheet metal cutter. It has a guide in it that helps you cut circles. So what comes with the kit is, here's your cutter. You get this cutter here. It has two sides for cutting, and then the handle for it. It attaches to the back of it, to a drill in the back, and then you put your handle on here, whichever side you're not going to use. You put your handle on. This comes with this round cutting guide. Sets up this way. A little set screw, and then you put your little cutter here, and it can cut circles like this. You can think it can go up to 11-inch circle in full diameter, and then it also comes with a little tool to change out the cutting bits and everything like that. It also comes with a step drill bit to drill your starter hole for your center. And then you'd have your drill here, and you hook it up like that, and you can cut like that with it.
It came in with instructions for home installations, but you can still follow them. It also came with a whole template in the box.
Okay, I'm going to use the guide to help set my nibbler. I'm going to take it out about there. Give it just a little bit of space. Okay. So that should be good. So we're going to use our strep drill bit to first drill the first hole for the center point, and then also drilling a hole for the actual bit to go into for the cutter on the little nibbler. And then I'm going to take a longer drill bit and drill all the way up through the second panel so I can mark my hole for the second panel. Oh, this is gonna suck to hold this up like that.
All right, that is officially the coolest tool that we've bought on this entire project. Look at that. Whoa.
Hot metal, hot metal.
And again, when we said we had clean insulation, we mean we had clean insulation in here. All right. Let's do it.
Man,
I'm for the roof.
that is amazing. It's not even sharp.
All right, look how thick. All right, ready to go do the top?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Look out. I was just hoping the dogs weren't in the way.
I shut the gate.
It's so funny. These little pieces are like little half moons that cuts out. Didn't paint the screws though. That's the only downside.
I can do it by hand. So shiny, so chrome.
It's so bright I can't see the holes.
All right, let's put the cover on.
You want to hand this to me?
Cover is on. Let's do the sealing.
It's like icing a cake. Get stuff on it. I know we will be getting more rain this week. The rain here, I'm trying to get that centered on that interior ring so it lets the light in the way we want it to.
So this is supposed to come up and through this, but we aren't going to be able to do that, but it will still give us plenty of light. Plenty. It's not in all the way.
It is.
No, it's not.
What the fuck are you talking about?
It's not in all the way.
It is.
No, it's not.
Yes.
Now it's in all the way.
Yeah, it wasn't quite lined up perfectly.
So overall, these only took us about an hour or so to install. And here's before, and here's the after. So as you guys saw in the pictures, when we have full sun, it is such a huge difference. We are so happy that we found these sun tunnels, skylights from Solar Blaster. I highly recommend you guys look into them if you want something similar. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe.